Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Uses of benzodiazepines. So in the benzodiazepines are mainly the most commonly used sedatives and hypnotics. These benzodiazepines can be used in anxiety treatment of anxiety. They are also used in acute mania or mania disorders. Along with, we can use benzodiazepines along with lithium. Then they can also be used in status epilepticus. So these are the main uses of benzodiazepines.
thank you and thank you for watching.